Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to reset content and settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings. Here go to the very bottom of the list and tap on Backup and Reset. Now it's time to choose Factory Data Reset. And finally, tap on Erase all content and settings. It will clear all data, including photos and music. If you are sure that you would like to erase it, just tap on Erase Data. Confirm it one more time, because this operation cannot be undone. And that's it. That's it. Just have to give yourself and your device a few seconds. It has to turn off and turn on one more time with all changes applied. Now it's wiping all data, the content and settings data, and after a while it will switch on. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from the scratch. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.